ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an all things considered significant way. ETH certainly faces obstruction at $1,364.37 in an especially large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum really is floating at $5,291,173,103 in a quite enormous manner. The EMA in a real sense is presently at $1,421.10, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to respond to these much of the time sought clarification on pressing issues. What generally is especially momentary cost expectation for Ethereum. In a real sense is ETH a truly wise interest in an especially huge manner. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so forth, which generally is very huge. However, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the ETH specialized investigation, basically let us really discuss the sort of current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,058,986,395,016 in a very significant manner. The really all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $28,914,442,597 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which essentially is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77. Following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span in an especially enormous manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere near 9.41 and at present exchanging at 51 cents, which for the most part is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the ETH specialized examination. In a real sense, let us really discuss the sort of current economic situations, which is very huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, a genuinely broad, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77. Following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period, or so they generally thought. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, especially further appearance how right now. A truly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77. Following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, which generally is very huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more essentially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the ETH specialized examination, explicitly led us by and large discussion about the kind of current economic situations in every practical sense, significant way. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants generally become move pretty dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they really thought. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum in a real sense is at $1,745.65, down 0.37% in the beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 6.59% over the course of the week in a truly significant manner. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC basically is $5,291,173,103.00 while kind of all-out market cap came to $209,869,397,797 USD in a genuinely significant manner. There by and large are very nearly 120,224,091 in a real sense are available for use out of 120,224,091. So support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the ETH specialized examination, basically let us in every way that really matters, discuss the kind of current economic situations, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for the 14th of June 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period especially made sense of beneath and in every way that really matters, enormous way. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving especially normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to especially examine the future development of the Ethereum, showing how the really complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $28,914,442,597 in a significant way. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining above of the exceptionally signal line after a really certain hybrid, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day graph, showing that help all things considered is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping profound into the ETH specialized examination, in a real sense let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations in an exceptionally enormous manner. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 42 and especially is attempting to really break out of the nonpartisanship zone. Further appearance how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in a by and large descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While ETH's Williams percent R pointer especially is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal sort of is by and large conceivable at this rate, which in a real sense shows that Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a truly everyday time period in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Ends the Ethereum market especially is given indications of being negative, and dealers for the most part have the fundamentally potential to drive costs of the digital money by and large lower in the really next sort of couple of days. Or so they truly thought. On the other hand, the cost of ETH could in every way that really matters attempt to explicitly break over its obstruction level of $1,364.37